Women are achieving great things, yes, we acknowledge that and it's beautiful. But then it comes to a point where women start to blow their own horns, because it's Women's Month, Like there was this statistics that says that apparently in South Africa, the statistics are that there's more women owning their own houses that they pay them off. That's great. It's beautiful. It deserves a round of applause. Yeah, but my concern was, who was supposed to pay for the house? It's your house, miss. So why are we happy that you're paying for your own house? But you must pay for it. It's your own house. Oh, that's like celebrating when women are buying their own drinks. It's they must buy their own drinks. These are their drinks. Now, they came alone to the party, miss. So why must we celebrate? Women these days are buying their own drinks. I think I was going to club to buy you a drink. Bumpy.